Hi everyone. I finally arrived at my hostel here in Paris after a long journey by train and then a taxi from the station. And to be honest, I'm feeling a little tired, but also very excited because this is my first time in Paris, and now I'm about to check in and start my stay here. So in this video, I want you to just relax, listen carefully, and follow this real-life English conversation that happens when you check in to a hostel. Hello, good evening. I have a reservation under the name Emily, and I just arrived a few minutes ago.
Good evening. Welcome to our hostel. Thank you for coming. Let me check your reservation in our system. Could you please confirm your full name for me?
Yes, of course. My full name is Emily Carter.
All right, thank you. Please give me a moment while I check. Yes, I can see your booking here. So, according to our system, you have booked a single bed in a shared room for 2 nights, starting from today. Is that correct?
Yes, that's absolutely correct. I will be staying for 2 nights, and I'll be checking out on Sunday morning.
Perfect. Everything looks good. May I please see your passport for identification?
Yes, sure. Here is my passport.
Thank you. I just need to verify your identity and enter some details into our system. Could you please fill out this check-in form with your personal information, such as your address and contact number?
Of course. Let me take a look. Okay, I will fill it out right now. Do I need to write my home address or my current address?
You can write your home address, and please also include your phone number.
All right, I understand. I'll complete it now.
Thank you. Now, your total payment for the stay is 60 euros.
Okay, that sounds good. Is it possible to pay by card, or do you only accept cash?
We accept both card and cash, so you can choose whichever is more convenient for you.
Great. I'll pay by card then. Here is my card.
Thank you. Please insert your card and enter your PIN. All right, the payment has been processed successfully. Here is your key card, and your room is located on the 3rd floor. The room number is 305.
Thank you. Is there an elevator available, or do I need to use the stairs?
Yes, there is an elevator just to your right after you pass the reception desk.
That's very helpful, thank you. I also wanted to ask if the hostel provides free Wi-Fi for guests.
Yes, we do offer free Wi-Fi throughout the building, and the password is printed on your key card.
That's great, thank you so much. I was also wondering if breakfast is included in my booking or if I need to pay separately for it.
Breakfast is not included, but you can purchase it downstairs in our dining area every morning.
All right, that sounds good. What time is breakfast usually served?
Breakfast is available from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. If you need anything during your stay, please feel free to ask us at the reception.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help. That was a very smooth and easy check-in process, and the staff here are very friendly and helpful, which makes me feel comfortable and welcome. Now let's learn some useful vocabulary and practice speaking together. Hostel, a place where travelers stay, usually cheaper than hotels. Reservation, booking made before arrival. Receptionist, person at the front desk. Shared room, room shared with others. Key card, card used to open the door. Check-in, process of arriving and getting your room. Speaking practice, repeat after me slowly. I have a reservation under the name Emily. Could you please check my booking? Can I pay by card? Is breakfast included in my booking? Does the hostel provide free Wi-Fi?
Great job listening and practicing today. Now that I've checked into my hostel, I'm ready to go out and explore the beautiful city of Paris. In the next video, I will show you real English conversations in the city. Don't forget to subscribe and continue learning with me. See you in the next episode.